looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with RPG once more. You know my fave. So let's see what we got. I have the wig in this bag. I got a brush branded RPG, edge brush and comb, rat tail comb, and lastly I got a pamphlet, hair care, and everything is listed on the inside. So yeah, now let's see what we got for today's wig. Alright guys, so this is what we're working with today. Another kinky straight wig, but this is an upgraded clean hairline lace front, and it also has the kinky edges to it. Alright, you guys know their clean hairline is like the best. It's like top tier, and it's 13 by 6 by the way. So the mid portion here is 13 by 6, and it gets has less depth on the side. It's 180% in density, and it's 18 inches long. It's of a natural color. See, nice, thick, healthy looking kinky straight texture. So that looks really good. These edges, I said it before in another video, like working with textured edges can be really easy, because if you decide to go ahead and use like, you know, product in it, it's really easy to mold, and I love how it can keep its form and stuff. And if you want to just rock it with this natural look, it can look super natural, like it's growing from your scalp. So it really enhances that natural vibe. On the inside, there is 4 combs. There are 4 combs in total, and adjustable straps in the back. And yeah, that's how it looks. It's already pre-bleached and stuff. It's also pre-plucked, so you don't have to worry about doing all of that. And that's how that looks. So let's go ahead and get started with this install. Okay, so it's fitting pretty snug. Love that. So as usual, you know, I'm just gonna remove the excess around the ears portion, but the hairline, oh, it's super natural. It's giving 4C realness. Like RPG hair really went in with, you know, getting this to be as natural looking and feeling as possible. So I'm just gonna cut away that excess lace there.
We looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no fly in the mirror. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears.
Alright, so I'm actually using my spray adhesive, my olive oil fix-it spray, which is really quick and easy to use. I'm just gonna fast forward through applying this.
Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I do is ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your lace. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young Betty Wiz. You was a part of the game. No, now we getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my hair. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now we getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my hair. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the. I do the dash. On my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Alright, so I'm just cutting away the excess lace. Everything is dried down and looking really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead, cut away the excess lace, and, you know, continue to dry it down, because you can see there's a little bit of cast here. So I need to make sure that I eliminate that look and just have it looking really nice and melted.
Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual, fire and smoke like I'm leading a ritual. You bet my cash is on, I hit the gas, I'm gone, riding my wave. I've been stuck in my zone, I bet I blast them all, sliding on faith. I've been out finding my ways, grinding for days. I've been out shining the hate, all of y'all wanted for praise. Stuck in a phase, let it and turn it ablaze. Yeah, homie, you don't want to race, nah, better to stick to your place. Yeah, want it all, I gotta taste. You push on the pedal, now I gotta skate. Yeah, all I ever known, put me on this throne, pinnacle, push my buttons and that motherfucker go.
Alright guys, so I'm just gonna let it melt down with my elastic band. I'm gonna kind of just run through the hair with my hot comb and my flat iron, but so far everything is looking good. So you know, I applied the elastic band to just further melt down the lace and stuff more. So yeah, we're just gonna focus on getting the hair, you know, nice and straight. Everything looks good so far, so I love that. So I'm gonna keep the center part, guys. Just getting everything nice and laid.
What you on, push it and I zone, sonic.
And then I'm gonna just fast forward me straightening the hair. Just run through everything with my flat iron.
Okay, my timing is critical. They know my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual, fire and smoke like I'm leading a ritual. You bet my cash is on, I hit the gas, I'm gone, riding my wave. I've been stuck in my zone, I bet I blast them all, sliding on faith. I've been out finding my ways, grinding for days. I've been out shining the hate, all of y'all wanted for praise. Stuck in a phase, let it and turn it ablaze. Yeah, homie, you don't want to race, nah, better to stick to your place. Yeah, want it all, I gotta taste. You push on the pedal, now I gotta skate. Yeah, all I ever known, put me on this throne, pinnacle, push my buttons and that motherfucker go. What you know, what you on, push it and I zone, sonic booms fill the room, run it till the tomb with my goons, smell the fumes. Y'all know what it do with the crew when we coming through. Y'all know better move, make it fast, ain't no second chance coming for your ass. Turn to ash, burning rubber now, better push the gas.
So that is looking really good. The flow, the movement, the fullness, very healthy looking. It's straightened pretty well, very nicely. Very nicely. So RPG, as usual, doing their thing. Like, look at that. Beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the next side, and once I'm complete, then I'll come back. My edge is not done nor anything. Super natural, just like I got it since initial state. Yeah. So I'm happy I could give you guys it like this. I didn't want to go ahead and do it just yet, but now I'm gonna go ahead and finesse it with some gel. You know, I'm gonna, you know, kind of pull back the mid portion here and just, you know, do minimal swoops. And yeah, but I'm happy I could show you guys like this. RPG keep on switching it up. You know, I've shown you guys a natural edge wig that I got from them before, and it was done really well. But today's wig, as I mentioned before, is with their upgraded hairline. So they're always upgrading, So I love that with RPG. So this is a finished look, guys, with a little bit of swoop action. Nothing too major. It's still looking very kinky, you know, still keeping it very close to the textured edge look. But the hair, it's very strong, feels very healthy. You know, it's a kinky straight, so it has that standard strong, healthy kind of kinky straight feel. So I love that. That's a vibe. Shout out to RPG Hair for another really nicely done wig. I'm going to be sure to drop the information on this wig in the description box, as well as the direct link. So if you're interested in getting this look for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. That's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Turn to ash, burning rubber now, better push the gas like. I did the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I